Hey guys, it's Lightning Bolt 99999, and we're here today with, as you can see, the Midland WR-300. It's personally probably my favorite weather radio, and the reason I'm showing you this radio today is because my friend on YouTube, I'm sorry if I pronounced this wrong, but SPC Ranford, has asked me to do a demonstration for him of how to set this up. So basically what you're going to want to do first is, before you plug the radio in, you're going to want to make sure the radio has batteries in it, of course. As you can see here, it takes 4 AA batteries. So once you put those in, then what you gotta do is the setup. Let's see here. Okay, to set the time, you basically, you press the menu button, you scroll through this menu until you find the thing that says set time, then you press select, which is right here. Once you click select, you'll see that the hour is blinking. It's 1:42 p.m. right now, but since I'm showing how to change this time, we're just going to pretend that it's actually 5:42 p.m. So you just keep pressing the up button until you scroll through whichever time you want to get to. And say it was actually 5:50. You just, you're at this thing over here, you switch over here and go up with this button. And there you are, the minutes. Then you just press select. And now you can go on to, or you could just press menu, or you could go on to set up any other things. Setting the alarm. I was going to record an EAS test one Wednesday morning, so I had this alarm set to 10:55 a.m. But say you needed to get up in the morning at 6 a.m. You're just going to keep scrolling through this till the time you want to get to. Now it's at 6. Then you press the right button to go to the hour, or the minute section, and then you just go up and down until you want to get to the minute you want to, and there, the alarm is set for 6 o'clock a.m. And what this is this R right here stands for your alarm is on the radio mode, which will turn on the AM/FM radio right here when it's turned 6 o'clock, which is the time you set your alarm to go off for. Press it over here, press right here, and this will go off with an alarm. It's basically an alarm like with this beeping noise, except it beeps several times, like, that's what your alarm will sound like. And so yeah, if you want to set to radio, go to that R. If you want to set it to the beeping sound, go to this thing and press select, and you're done. To make sure that your alarm is actually on, you want to switch this thing on the side to on, and when it's switched to on like that, you'll see a little clock symbol next to your little beep symbol or whatever kind of alarm you set it to. And so if the alarm's not on, then that little clock symbol will not be there, but when you turn it on, a little symbol appears there. So next thing, we're gonna go alert mode. If your alert is on voice, when you turn your radio, it'll go on for the alert. If it's on the voice alert mode, it will if it's on the voice alert mode, when the radio picks up the same tones, it will sound the radio's alert tone, depending on what kind of alert it is. It will sound the appropriate alert tone, and for about 7 seconds, and then you'll hear the 1050 tone, and then the voice message to go along with the alert. Now, if you have it on this other mode called Siren Mode makes it so that the when the radio picks up the same tone as the the appropriate alert tone on the radio will sound for 5 minutes, or until you can figure out a way to get the alarm to turn off, which will then allow you to hear the voice message. I'm pretty sure if you got an alert, you would just have to hit the menu button if it was going off with the siren for 5 minutes, then turn your radio on right here, and you would just, be able to hear the voice message. Okay, so I prefer to have mine set to voice. You just scroll through to whichever one you want to get to, and press select, and let's go on to something else. Backlight. Whenever you press a button, the backlight will be on for about 5 seconds, but that is only if it's on the mode called normal. If you set it to go to the mode called continuous, then your backlight will stay on all the time, no matter what. But this, just to warn you, you might only want to put on continuous if it's plugged into an outlet, because this does take up quite a lot of battery power. And if you're in a real emergency like a power outage where you need your weather radio, you want to have as much battery power as possible. So we went through that. Set the date. I will get back to setting the date in part 2 of this video, and because my camera's about to run out of battery power, so look for part 2. I'll put a link in the description. Stay tuned.